Hola everyone, welcome to Week 19 Vocabulary. Today we're exploring 10 fantastic words, many about thinking clearly, enjoying music and movies, groups working together, and having fun choices in life. These words are perfect for talking about logic, entertainment, teamwork, and personal style in your English 10 and 12 classes. Let's dive in with tons of energy. Our first word is logical.
En español es lógico.
This is a cognate. A cognate is a word in one language that looks and sounds very similar to a word in another language, usually because the languages share a common origin, and has the same or very close meaning and spelling. Logical is an adjective. According to Merriam-Webster, it means according to the rules of logic. Here's a good memory tip. When something is logical, it makes perfect sense step by step, like a lawyer using clear, smart thinking to win a big case. A good synonym would be rational. A good antonym would be illogical. An example sentence for this term is, the lawyer argued logically about the suspect's motives, so she won the case.
En español, el abogado argumentó lógicamente sobre los motivos del sospechoso, por lo que ganó el caso.
Great! Remember, logical means following clear rules of reason. Try using it today. Awesome job. Ready for the next word? Our next word is listen.
En español es escuchar.
Listen is a verb. According to Merriam-Webster, it means to pay attention, especially through the act of hearing. Here's a good memory tip. Listen is active. You're not just hearing sounds, you're really focusing and paying attention to what someone is saying. A good synonym would be hear, but listen is more intentional. A good antonym would be ignore. An example sentence for this term is, would you listen to what I have to say?
¿Escucharías lo que tengo que decir?
Fantastic! Remember, listen means to pay attention with your ears on purpose. Try using it today. Wonderful. Ready for the next word? Our next word is music. Da 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 da.
En español es la música.
It's another cognate. Music is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means vocal, instrumental, or mechanical sounds having rhythm, melody, or harmony. Here is a good memory tip. Music is that magical sound that makes you feel happy, calm, or excited, perfect for singing along in the car every single day. Merriam-Webster doesn't list specific synonyms or antonyms for this meaning. Here's an example. We listen to music in the car every day.
Escuchamos música en el carro todos los días.
Great! Remember, music means sounds with rhythm, melody, or harmony. Try using it today. Nicely done. Ready for the next word? Our next word is movie.
En español es la película.
Movie is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means a recording of moving images that tells a story and that people watch. Here is a good memory tip. A movie is moving pictures that tell an exciting or funny story. The best way to relax after dinner with your family. A good synonym would be film. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. Here's an example. We always watch a movie after dinner.
Siempre vemos una película después de la cena.
Super! Remember, movie means a story told through moving images. Try using it today. Excellent. Ready for the next word? Our next word is organization.
En español es la organización.
Look, another cognate. Organization is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means a group of persons formally joined together for some common interest. Here's a good memory tip. An organization is a team of people who come together for a big purpose, like a group working hard to bring peace to the world. A good synonym would be association. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. Here's an example. Peace Corps is an organization of people devoted to promoting world peace around the world.
Peace Corps es una organización de personas dedicada a promover la paz mundial.
Great! Remember, organization means a group joined for a common goal. Try using it today. Terrific! Ready for the next word? Our next word is substance.
En español es la sustancia, el fondo o la esencia.
Substance is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means essential nature, essence. Here is a good memory tip. Substance is the real heart of something, the deep, important message, even when there are lots of examples around it. A good synonym would be essence. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. Here's an example. The substance of her speech was about kindness, even though she used many examples.
La sustancia de su discurso era sobre la bondad, aunque usó muchos ejemplos.
Awesome! Remember, substance means the essential meaning or core idea. Try using it today. Brilliant! Ready for the next word? Our next word is game.
En español es el juego.
Game is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means a competitive encounter between individuals or groups carried on for amusement, exercise, or in pursuit of a prize. Here's a good memory tip. A game is fun competition, playing with friends after homework, laughing, and maybe even winning a prize. A good synonym would be match in some contexts. Merriam-Webster doesn't list a specific antonym. Here's an example. I plan to play a game after I complete my homework.
Planeo jugar un juego después de terminar mi tarea.
Wonderful! Remember, game means a fun, competitive activity. Try using it today. Amazing. Ready for the next word? Our next word is sport.
En español es el deporte.
Sport is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means activity engaged in to amuse oneself. Here's a good memory tip. Sport is physical fun. Swimming, soccer, or running, great for staying healthy and feeling good. A good synonym would be recreation. A good antonym would be work. Here's an example. Swimming is a great sport for exercise and fun.
Nadar es un gran deporte para ejercicio y diversión.
Great! Remember, sport means physical activity done for enjoyment and exercise. Try using it today. Fantastic. Ready for the next word? Our next word is alternative.
En español es la alternativa.
Look, another cognate. Alternative is a noun. According to Merriam-Webster, it means the power, right, or opportunity to choose. Here is a good memory tip. Alternative is another choice when the first plan doesn't work, like having no other way but to cross the stream. A good synonym would be option. A good antonym would be force. Here's an example. We had no alternative but to cross the stream to reach our destination.
No tuvimos alternativa más que cruzar el arroyo para llegar a nuestro destino.
Excellent! Remember, alternative means another option or choice. Try using it today. Super! Ready for the final word? Our final word is eclectic.
Es ecléctico.
This is our final cognate. Eclectic is an adjective. According to Merriam-Webster, it means consisting of many things of different sorts. Here's a good memory tip. Eclectic means a fun mix of different styles. Her clothes are so varied and cool that you never know what awesome outfit comes next. A good synonym would be varied. A good antonym would be homogeneous. Here's an example. Her eclectic wardrobe always left us wondering what she would wear next.
Su guardarropa ecléctico siempre nos dejaba preguntándonos qué se pondría después.
Great! Remember, eclectic means made up of many different styles or sources. Try using it today. Awesome job! Wow, great job today, everyone! You just learned 10 powerful new words. Logical, listen, music, movie, organization, substance, game, sport, alternative, and eclectic. You're getting stronger every week. Your challenge. Use these words when talking with friends, writing in your notebook, or doing homework. Say them out loud, write them, and watch your English grow. You'll see these words again in class, quizzes, and real life. Keep practicing. I'm so proud of you. Hasta la próxima semana. See you next week for more words.
Nos vemos. Que tengas una semana genial.